The volume of email that attorneys receive has increased dramatically, especially compared to documents. Most of attorneys' work product now is in the form of an email, maybe just an attachment, but more often even in the body of an email message. Where it used to be a formal memo or a letter that the attorney would send out, now it's in an email, an attachment again, or in the content of the email. And so this concept of email management has really become so much more front and center for every attorney out there that they need some easy ways to file this work product just like they would file their work product as a document. When it comes to the attorney-client relationship, many clients nowadays just want the ease of interaction with the attorney that email affords. In fact, clients many times are expecting that the attorney corresponds with them via email rather than some other method that the attorney may want or that the firm may want. So it's absolutely critical to be able to capture and categorize those email messages. For 7 years running, the ILTA Purchasing Survey has listed email management as the top issue facing law firms, especially facing the IT staff when the IT staff has to manage the sheer volume of email that's coming in. This is especially true of smaller firms who may not have the IT resources that some of the larger firms have. One of the key sources of this problem is the fact that the email content is generally stored separately from the document management content. This means that attorneys and secretaries have to search in two different spots for their email versus for their document management. One of the things that we try to solve with our email management software, we call it EMS, is the ability to put the email right in the same location as those documents. We allow you to put the email right into that matter-centric workspace where the attorneys and the secretaries and the paralegals can all collaborate on that content all together. They see it categorized in folders or subfolders and right there on that matter-centric view. As you may have heard, we recently acquired Decisive Email from Recommind. This acquisition brings with it the 10+ years of experience that the Decisive Email team has with a predictive filing technology. This technology removes the friction that a lot of attorneys and secretaries and paralegals experience when they have to file that email and categorize it into the correct matter or into the correct case. This prediction technology serves up predictions of folders, clients, matters, workspaces, where these email messages should be filed. It's based on the to, the from, the CC, and the subject line, as well as the content of the email message. Depending on those aspects of the email, predictions are served up for the end user so that they can just file that email message to the right location with a single click. This single click allows the attorney tremendous workflow possibilities and allows them to really save time on this action that they do every day, hundreds of times a day, many times. This technology that we've acquired, this part of Decisive Email, allows for collaboration and kind of crowdsourcing of the email filing technology throughout the firm. So for an end user, maybe a secretary who files email religiously and frequently and files it to the correct location, all of her filings create accurate predictions for all of the other users in the firm, particularly the attorney that he or she may be working for. That way the attorney also sees accurate predictions as to where to file those incoming email messages. So it's a crowdsourced way of making that filing process absolutely frictionless for that attorney.